Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are seeing the Android system permission requested by Google TV message and don't know how to fix it, so don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple method that can help solve the problem. So firstly, open your device settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps option. Now search for Google TV. Tap on it. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the previous page and tap on permissions option and allow all the permissions. And after this, go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Google TV. And update it if not. After this, go back to the home page and restart your device and try opening Google TV again. And if this issue still appears, remove your Google account from the device and sign in again. This refreshes account permissions and often fixes authorization related errors. Finally, check your internet connection and make sure your device date and time settings are set automatically. And after following these steps, the Google TV permission requested problem should be fixed. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.